Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to be making a card today with one of our brand new stamp sets. It's called Happy Together. We have 3 new stamp sets. These will be available in the shop on Monday, 9 a.m. Central Time. I do have a Valentine's Day box where you can buy the whole release at a discount. We have limited quantities on those boxes. I'll have the link down below in the description box for you so you can check it out. So here I'm going to stamp out my image with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm using my handy tool there, the Ink Navigator Kit. I love that tool. It helps me prevent me from getting ink all over my hands. I'll have that linked in the description box for you as well. So we're going to stamp this out. I love stamping my image out twice because I like those dark, crisp lines. We're going to do some Copic coloring today. I'll have some music during the coloring, and then I'll meet you back on the other side, and we'll talk about the rest of the card. I love this stamp set for so many reasons. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's perfect for happy anniversary or congratulations on your big day, and perfect to send to a friend. And I'm super excited, guys. My mom and dad are getting remarried after I think 30 plus years. So I am going to make them a card with this stamp set. Isn't that so cool? And I know my mom likes the stamp set because she saw my post on Facebook and asked about the stamp set. She's like, "Where'd you get that stamp set? It's so cool." I said, "It's in my shop. I had an artist draw it for my shop." And she's like, "Oh wow, I really, really love that." So she's going to love the card that I create for her. So I'm going to put the music on and I'll be right back, guys. So we have a great option here to add some accessories to the couple's hands here. So we can add this watch to the male arm here, and then there's a bracelet for the female, there's a ring for the male, and then another ring for the female. Now, to add the watch, you could do a little masking, or you can stamp it out and fussy cut it like I'm sharing right here. So I just fussy cut the watch out. It's very easy. It's very easy to fussy cut. The shape is easy to cut around. So you can just glue it onto your arm there. You could do some masking and stamp out the watch, mask it out, and then stamp out the hands. So I love that. You can dress up your hands here, and the rings and the bracelet you don't need to mask. You can just stamp right on. They fit perfectly in there. So here's a photo with the watch off and a photo with the watch on, so you can see the difference. Very, very fun. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.